All right, hey guys, what is going on? Another day, Levi Apparel. You know what? Let me put this right here. All right, cool. Another day, Levi Apparel. Like and subscribe. All right, cool. So we've been going through a lot. Um, over here, well, you can't really see it. Let me turn this light on. All right, so a lot's been happening as far as like the channel growth and stuff like that. But hold on, I'm gonna adjust you real quick. Bam. Right. It's a little bit better. Yeah. So a lot's been happening with the channel growth. Oh, this is the Woo Sox shirt, right? Go Woo Sox. Yeah, so this is like an offshoot of Red Sox. Actually, the Woo Sox are where the minor leagues play, and then eventually if somebody gets injured in the major leagues, then they'll go to like what's called like the Red Sox, right? The Woo Sox will go to the Red Sox to replace whoever's missing, or unless they have contract with somebody else. Who knows? I don't know. They know their stuff. I don't know it. They got me the shirt because my daughter and stuff. So check them out. Check them out. Charlotte's her name. She had a situation. Yeah, you'll see the video and I'll tell you. It's talking about it kind of gets to me. Anyways, yeah. So lots been happening. I have an order that came in. It's finalized. That's that one I told you. I'm gonna be doing all white. I'm waiting for the shirts to come in. I do keep shirts here, but the shirts that I keep here, they're mainly for like my own merch stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I try my best not to keep things here because at the end of the day, do I have the yeah, technically upstairs. I mean, up there, if you can see it. Give me a second. Right up there is the shelving that's supposed to house all that stuff. So, yeah. So, yeah, I do have space, but still, I don't want to keep stuff up there. I don't want to keep stuff up there because it makes no sense, right? I want to keep the bare minimum, and then that's it. If like the if I'm getting orders like crazy, then I might have to scrap whatever I got up there and then start putting like different type of shirts. I do have shirts up there like you saw, but at the end of the day, I just want to keep bare minimum. And then I order everything else because it's a lot better for me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I was able to do these transfers. Last time you saw me, I was getting them ready. Bam, right? So that's that video I did on the so I what I do now is I do videos and I clip them off, and based on the videos that I clip off, I'm doing like things like, for example, I was talking about like the troops coming in to the Capitol. So I'm gonna have this made on a shirt for that. I was talking about IT, right? IT is Haiti. That's my home country. Besides my adopted country, which is America, right? So on that, this is something I'm gonna do for it also. I had a shirt that I did. I was trying to do it on the live, but golly, I was in a rush, and this is what happened, right? So this is the shirt right here, and let me adjust this. So this is the shirt right here. Normally the shirt, so this is it, right? So the guy is fine, right? But the woman, like that part was kind of torn off because I was rushing because I gotta go to work. So as soon as I do the live, I'm gonna work. Days I have off, I'm able to do a little bit longer of a live, but it is what it is. Like even right now, I'm rushing to go do the other live. So what happened was when I did the shirt, I peel it off. So now this is a cold peel, right? This is a cold peel transfer. Where's the piece that I had? Give me a second, I'll find it. Where did I put it? Come on. Conflicts and issues. All right. I think this is it right here. Nope, that's not it. Give me a second. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh, yeah, this is it. So, this is the piece that didn't get removed completely. And that piece goes here. It goes here. Now, all I had to do is basically align it, and then from there, this portion would have been put right back. But the issue I had was I was in a hurry, so I ripped it off. And then it's like, I mean, I could still technically do it right now, but I don't feel like it. I'm just gonna make a new shirt. So that's what's going on. I was supposed to have this shirt done for somebody too, so it is what it is. But yeah, so immediately my thing was I was trying to do the shirts at the end to save me time. I'm thinking now I may do the shirts in the beginning, right? That way you see the shirts and then I start the segment. So give me some ideas. Should I start doing the shirt making now in the beginning, or should I show, you know, the videos, the reviews and stuff that I'm gonna do, and then make the shirts? I don't know. All I know is I need to make time because it takes time to make them. So yeah, it is what it is. Like, subscribe. That's my daily life for today. But other than that, I got some shirts coming up. About 10 I'm about to do, and in that order of 11 shirts, no, 100 shirts. I'm waiting for the guy to finish the image and then let me know what's up, and then from there we're gonna post it. But yeah, that's my daily vlog, letting you know what's going on. Screen printing, I think I'm gonna be doing that for the 100 shirts, and then the 10 shirts I'll be doing the right behind you, the Ep1-50000, and that's the one I'm gonna be doing for because it's white shirts. I'm gonna do a front and back. I'm just gonna print it, get out of the way, bam, done, and that's it. All right, like, subscribe, Levi Apparel. Got more coming for you. Appreciate you as always. Yeah. Ooh, we got a new edition coming. So I have a convention oven right there, right? And the convention oven is great for like mugs, tumblers, stuff like that, right? But I'm using a lot of power just for like 1 or 2 mugs. And I want to start doing, you know, besides just the regular t-shirts, I want to do like, you know, let's say something happened, like I'm doing a review on like, I don't know, Papa Blue or something. And I say, you know what, I need some coffee. I make the mug, make the logo, pour the coffee, and I'm sitting back like, that's some good coffee. You know what I mean? Or like, this coffee tastes like, teach you said. All right. Check him out. He's a good channel. But yeah, so that's basically it. You know what I mean? That's the vlog. Conflict was problems with the screen printing, removing the cold field too fast because my time limit. And resolution is reprinting it, getting another one done, and then I'm good to go. What's good is now finally every printer but the sublimation printer is working right now. That's my issue. The sublimation printer is acting up, and I'm supposed to be cleaning it, but I don't have time because of work. Damn, you feel me? Yeah. So we're gonna get that going. Yeah, we're gonna get that going. Then pretty soon we're gonna, you know, move forward and do more. I try not to make the blogs too long because I'm just talking. But like, subscribe, Levi Apparel. Appreciate you.